What inspired you to be a teacher? Was it the passion to impart knowledge? Was it the vision to make a difference? Do you want to level up yourself from an instructor to a mentor? At iQualify UK's International Centre of Excellence, the Postgraduate Certificate in Education gives you the knowledge, skills and confidence to face and exceed the expectations from a teacher in the 21st century higher educational setting. Delivered in person or via blended learning, the PGCERT is designed to address the practical working needs of teaching staff within a student-focused learning and teaching environment. PGCERT in Education is a recognised British qualification awarded by LRN that has 3 units, namely Philosophy of Education and Theories of Learning and Teaching, Delivering Effective Teaching and Learning and Understanding Educational Assessment, Contemporary Teaching in Higher and Professional Education. Delivered under the guidance of our experienced teaching professionals, you will develop a sound understanding of core issues, strategies and techniques in teaching in higher and professional education. As a famous author, Jodi Picoult said, "The fact that you worry about being a good teacher means that you already are one." With the PGCERT in Education, iQualify UK ICE, now is the time to take your first step to become a better teacher. Through your learning and teaching, change lives for the better. PGCERT in Education at iQualify UK, International Centre of Excellence. Visit ice.iqualifyuk.com to learn more.